My name is Maike Adler, and I'm a medical doctoral candidate at the Institute of Anatomy of the Friedrich-Alexander University in Germany. In this video, I will present to you my project on investigating the effects of micro and nanoplastic particles on human immune cells. Today, we can find plastic waste all over the world. In nature, the plastic undergoes different processes which degrade the larger products into small particles, the so-called micro and nanoplastic particles. We refer to microplastic as particles smaller than 5 millimeters and to nanoplastic as particles which have a diameter below 1 micrometer. We can find micro and nanoplastics ubiquitous in our environment, and this pollution has become a huge challenge for all of us. Today, we can even find plastic particles in our blood in a concentration of 1.6 micrograms per milliliter. This observation made us wonder what happens with those plastic particles in the human body and whether we can visualize plastic particles in human cells. The type of immune cell we want to focus on in this study to answer those questions are the so-called macrophages. They are part of the innate immune system, and it's basically their task to engulf and digest pathogens such as bacteria. They are directly exposed to inhaled or ingested micro nanoplastics as macrophages reside in mucosal tissues. They are also very important for cell communication and can have a pro- or anti-inflammatory function. Because macrophages play such an important role in our immune system, we decided to focus on them. The overall aim of our project is to establish an in vitro model to study the effects of micro nanoplastics on human macrophage behavior. We'd like to see whether macrophages are able to phagocytose plastic particles just like bacteria, which you can see in this video. The bacteria are the group of small dark rods you can see, and the macrophages are the bigger motile cells. Then, we are also interested in the polarization of the macrophages, whether they tend to develop into a pro- or anti-inflammatory subtype. We want to know if plastic particles have an influence on their viability and whether we can observe an inflammatory response of the macrophages to the plastic. Such a project can't be carried out only by a single person, and here you can see everyone who contributed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I hope you enjoyed the short video on my project.